I need to find my stuff before I go get darkness. Alright, I'm ready for action. I should match up these socks. Looks like I need to find a total...
Oh boy, this is great! My name's Otto. Can I give you a ride somewhere?
Thanks, Otto. My name's Sam.
Pleased to meet you, Sam. Come on, hop in.
Let's go sailing.
Well, technically we can't do that since I'm not a sailboat because I don't have a sail. I know what you mean, but technically you should say, let's go floating or something like that.
Sure, whatever you say. Let's go sailing.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I hope that nice tree's not too mad that I lost her rope. At least I got this great piece of wood.